Sino po ang tatayong presiding officer sa impeachment trial? At may update po ba kayo sa...
As soon as they have 13, walang problema sila na. Okay, so I have to assert, because may pinaglalaban tayo. Pinaglalaban ko hindi yung si Alan Cayetano ang Senate President. Ang pinaglalaban natin, ang Senado hindi pwedeng rubber stamp ng Malacanang. Hindi pwede na hindi independent yung Senate. Hindi pwedeng may hearing ka katulad kanina, yung bibig na bumubukas ay senador, pero yung lumalabas na salita galing sa Malacanang.
Ano pong rules sa pagpili ng presiding officer sa impeachment trials?
They illegally amended the rules. They illegally had a session, 'di ba? So in due time, there'll have to be something that will decide, 'di ba? But in the same manner na ina-assert ni Senator Win na he's the acting Senate President kahit na walang legal basis whatsoever, I have to assert, not for myself, but for the truth and for the Constitution. But it's still 1 month eh. 'Di ba? At hindi kami nakikipag-agawan sa silya doon. So for example, yung Senate Secretary, dapat siya yung ngayon nag-aayos para diyan sa pre-trial. But nagte-take over sila Attorney Bantog. So we're doing it very patiently because nga we don't want the whole Senate to be affected, no?
Paano po yun? Kanina si House Secretary General Sheloy Garafil, nagpasa siya ng manifestation ng House Prosecution Team kay Secretary Bantog, pero hindi niyo po siya kinikilalang SecGen.
Yes.
Pero ang House Prosecution Team, si SecGen Bantog daw yung kinikilala.
That's going to be a problem for at least a few days, maybe a few weeks, because we don't expect naman the Supreme Court to rule right away. But what's the best proof that Malacanang's hand is in this? First, yung pananakot nila sa mga miyembro namin na lumipat, yung offer na wala ng kaso pag lumipat. Second, as soon as nila ginawa, naglabas sila na ang House at ang Malacanang ay dun pumapabor. Di ba? Pwede naman mag-neutral ang Malacanang eh. Pwede naman sabihin ng Malacanang, settle it among yourself. Ganon din sa House prosecution. Hindi naman nila gusto ng fair na impeachment. Gusto nila yung may pinipili na silang grupo. That's why sabi ko sa inyo, if I'm wrong, they blame me. Kung tama ako, na from 24 gagawin 22, eventually 18 ang senador, tapos sasabihin nila 12 convicted na. Will that be a fair impeachment process? What will happen to the country if that happens? Then ang kasunod naman is CONAS, no? So give me a few days, pag-usapan natin yan, but let's focus lang dun sa nangyayari, no? But just to answer your question, it will be up in the air. That will be a legal question, and we are in the right side.